What's going on, guys? So today pretty much I'm going to show you guys how I access the navigation system. But before you do that, the first thing you have to do in order to access the system is you guys got to go to this guy's channel, hit that subscribe button, and check out that short of the Mercedes C250. So back to the video. Pretty much if you don't have the option here that says navigation, or right here on your little toggle display, your HUD, whatever you want to call it, the way you want to access your navigation is you look up on your VIN. All right, there's a website called vindecoders.com, and it'll show you right here. This is my VIN right here, the options that it comes with. So radio, audio 20. What you want to look for is that right there, navigation 20. Even though I don't have the option here, I have it accessible. So what you want to do is you just want to hold clear. You hold clear for like 3 seconds, and there you have it. Simple as that. Check it out, guys. You guys don't have to lift up anything or have to hack it or nothing like that. Just check it out. If you look up your VIN and it shows navigation 20, all you do is you hold clear, and there you go. All right, guys, give it shoot me a like, and I hope it helped out to some people that actually use the navigation. It's actually pretty accurate too. So I mean, I don't know if you have to update anything, but I came across it and I just figured I'd share it with you guys. All right, shoot me a like, subscribe, and there will be more content coming on the way.